You're creating content and manually posting it to Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and your email list, one by one. That's not a content strategy. That's a second job. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I automated that entire process using Make.com, and it takes about 10 minutes to set up. Let's go. Before we build anything, here's what you need. A Make.com account. The free plan is enough to start. Accounts on the platforms you want to post to, and one piece of content ready to go. That's it. No coding, no technical background required. In Make.com, every automation starts with a trigger, the event that kicks everything off. We're going to use Google Drive as our trigger. Every time you drop a new file into a specific folder, the automation fires. Create a new scenario in Make. Select Google Drive as your first module and choose Watch Files. Point it to a folder you'll call Content to Post. Anytime you drop a file in there, the machine starts running. The next module is where we pull the actual text. Add a Google Docs module and select Get Document Content. Now Make will read whatever text is inside the document you dropped in. This becomes the content body that gets pushed everywhere else. I put together a full recommended starter toolkit in my free Quick Start guide. Link is in the description below. Now we add what Make calls a router. It splits your automation into parallel paths. One path goes to your Facebook page using the Facebook Pages module. One goes to LinkedIn using the LinkedIn module. One goes to a Buffer or Publer account that handles Instagram and YouTube descriptions. And one path triggers your email marketing tool, ConvertKit, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, whatever you use. Each path takes the same content body and posts it where it needs to go. Here's the move that takes this from good to great. Before each platform gets the content, add a ChatGPT or Claude module that rewrites the post slightly for that platform's tone. LinkedIn gets a professional angle. Instagram gets a punchy hook. Your email list gets a personal, conversational version. One piece of content becomes 5 unique posts automatically. Here's what this looks like in practice. I write one piece of content, drop it in a Google Drive folder, and within 60 seconds, it's live on 5 platforms, each one slightly customized for that audience. That's a workflow I built once that runs forever. This is what AI automation is actually about. Not replacing your creativity, but multiplying it. If you want my full AI automation quick start guide with these workflows, go to automatedincomelab.com and grab it for free. Link is in the description. I'll see you in the next video.